Hello, welcome to the class.
My name is Partho Majumdar.
Without any further delay, let's get started.
In the last video, we saw we could plot the locations from where the tweets were made on a map. However, the map was a static map. Now, let's see how to create a same indication on an interactive map. So what we will do is the same as what we did in the previous lecture. That is, first we will fetch the tweets. Once the tweets are fetched, we will determine the location from where the tweets have been made. This we will get from the data what is received from Twitter. Then we will compute the latitude and longitude of the location. And lastly, we will plot the latitude and longitude on a world map. However, this time the map will be an interactive map. Some of you may be wondering what is the interactive map. This will become clear when we see the demonstration. Now for creating interactive map, the library that we require is a library called Leaflet. So we will use the Leaflet library for creating the interactive map. The code for generating the interactive map is shown here. Now you see that there is a function called Leaflet in the Leaflet library which can be used for creating the interactive maps. Now this Leaflet function is very similar to ggplot. That is, it works in layers. So you have to create the layers one after the other to create the leaflet maps. So we will see the code in action on RStudio and then it will become more clear. So here we are in RStudio. So we go through the code once again. So we load the libraries. This time we are loading the leaflet library. Then we read the system parameters. It is read from the file. Then we create the Twitter token, read the Google Maps API key, and search for a location. So first we mark the location, find its coordinates. The location for us is India. Now we will fetch the tweets. The tweets are getting fetched now. It's done. So now we compute the latitude and longitude. Once that is done, we will create the leaflet map. So this is the interactive map we will create. Let's see what happens. So there the map is got generated. Now you see here, now the map is concentrated on the area where there are tweets from. We searched for tweets from India. So only the area which is in and around India is now shown on the map. You can expand or you can collapse the map according to your requirement. Further, notice here we have a command here which says pop-up is equal to as character of text. That is, the text of the tweet will appear as a pop-up. So let us see whether this is happening or not. So let's go to any of the tweets, and when we click on the tweet, see the tweet has got popped up here. So we can try it for one more. So if you go to one of the locations from where tweet has been made, so you see there the tweets are appearing. So there is lots you can do with the leaflet library. So it is a huge subject to study. So take your time and study leaflet library and do lots with it. Next we will see one last example, and this time we will fetch tweets for coronavirus. Now coronavirus should give us tweets from all across the world. So let us see how the leaflet makes the world map this time. The tweets are getting fetched now. It's a lot of tweets, 5,000 tweets, so it will take some time. So the tweets have got fetched now. Okay, so we calculate the latitude and longitude. We've done that. Now let's make the leaflet map. So let's see what happens. Last time the map was concentrated around India. However, this time we expect tweets from all across the world. So you see here, since we have tweets from all across the world, the map shows you all across the world on the display. So again, you can click on a particular tweet and you can see what is the tweet text.